Next, consider the following observations about the 30% UPI market share cap for TPAPs. The cap was introduced by RBI in consultation with the NPCI. The objective of the cap is to ensure user choice and avoid systemic risks. The deadline to comply has now been extended to 31 December 26. Currently, no single type TPAP exceeds 30% of cap. So the correct answer is only 2, which is 2 and 3. But let me also explain something to you. It's a very good point, which is the objective of the cap is to ensure user choice and avoid systemic risk. So what is this systemic risk? So if you would know that when we talk about banks, we have something called as DSIPs, which is domestic systemically important banks, like HDFC, like SBI, like ICICI. So what it means is that if any of these banks fail, our economy will also fail considerably, right? Now, just going back to the logic, to the same logic and applying it to TPAPs, let's say कि GPay, which is Google Pay, it holds more than 60% of this UPI payment and transactions, right? So now let's say if there is some concern, if there is a data breach or system is getting attacked or anything of that sort happens with Google Pay, the entire uh, ecosystem of this UPI will get stuck, right? Because users obviously will not be able to make the payments. That is the reason RBI is very thoughtful that they want to limit this to 30% as its monopoly or as its market share. So let's move to the next question.